Hi, this is Mitri from Tritão. We build custom titanium bikes in Portugal, and this bike in front of me is actually an e-bike that weighs like a normal bicycle. We built it for a customer from New York, and thus the speed limit is 32 kilometers per hour or 25 miles per hour. And this bike is using a Mahle X20 system. Let me tell you more about it. So here is the control button and the screen for the Mahle X20 system, where you can shift the modes. Check out the really nice Chris King headset and the matching anodized decals writing on the frame, as well as the customer name and the Chris King's new seat clamp that matches in color. The bike uses, as I said, Mahle X20 system, and it can also, like, the battery is built in the down tube. Of course, it can be removed, but you can also use an extender battery that is mounted here and is connected to the charging port. So we have a totally new cluster for bottom brackets slash yoke slash like mounting point for the battery. I'll show you. It's under the bottom bracket. So basically there is a door here. You open it. It's for installation of the battery, and it's closed, and it's totally like there's no wiring, nothing sticking out. Everything is nice and clean, and at the same time it's a yoke for the chainstays, allowing for wider tire clearance, much wider than we could previously do with classic solutions when we would just machine the tubes. The 3D printing helped us a lot in this case. So we have installed Sram Rival 12-speed transmission here, the drivetrain, and you can see the motor hub, which is 250 watt Mahle motor. The crankset is standard Rival crankset, but with bigger chainring. The cockpit is semi-integrated, so all the wiring is inside the frame, and all the cable lines are running through the stem, but semi-integrated at the handlebar, since it's a flat bar bicycle. Basically, it's kind of a flat bar gravel city bike made for a New Yorker. Thus, it has the tubeless titanium rack, so you can put like nice bag with a laptop. Make sure they don't steal it. Here we have installed the Bjorn Setka saddle. So these are our 3D printed titanium dropouts with a flat mount. Watch out! These are nice Shimano Dior XT flat mount brakes, which are really rare actually. And the cars are starting everywhere, so I cannot make any videos anymore. All our e-bike frames feature 3D printed dropouts. They're UDH compatible, and this one is flat mount, and it has a mount for a port for Mahle motor. So how it works, you don't need to connect anything when you replace the wheel. You just take the wheel off normally, and that's it. It's disconnected. And the same style to put it back in. You just put it back in, and it's all connected. Check out the nice lines of the 3D printed 3D bottom bracket cluster. What a nice bike. Hope that you like this video and this bike, of course, and see you soon with more nice bikes. Bye.